Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm your host with the most, Mr. Muhammad, Mr. Mo. Call me what you want, call me what you need. And I'm really excited to share this episode for this week because it's all about Eid al-Fitr. Now, before we begin, I would like to shout out a few grade 9 students who have taken the time to decorate my tablet. And they know themselves, and I'm really thankful and I'm really grateful for the amazing work these guys have done. And I really, really appreciate it. Now, today's topic, like we said, is all about Eid al-Fitr. Now, Eid al-Fitr is one of two major holidays celebrated by Muslim people, and it commemorates the end of the holy month of Ramadan. Now, it is usually accompanied by a large community wide prayer service in the morning and followed by meals and conversations with friends and family. Now, typically, such celebrations would last about 3 days, and all schools, all governmental facilities, and everywhere in the place that is celebrating is closed. Now, one thing I can speak about for the youngsters who are watching us, celebrations of Eid, usually, like I said, they include wearing new clothes. And for our male audiences, they include getting a fresh new haircut. And the best of the best of what makes Eid al-Fitr really special, in Kurdish we call it jejnana, and in Arabic we call it Aidia, which is essentially money given to young people where they can buy what they need and get what they want. Now, a few things to say about today's episode or this week's episode. It's only going to be me. It's only going to be your host. I decided not to have any guests for the sake of for the sake of easiness and to keep the episode short and simple as well. It's only going to be a few minutes of me talking and we'll be done. Now, one thing that makes Ramadan so special are the habits and the routine that we develop. The good habits, of course. There's a saying, it takes 21 days to develop a habit and 90 days to develop a lifestyle. Now, I hope all of our audiences at home have developed a healthy lifestyle and have taken healthy habits into consideration. Now that Ramadan is ending, that doesn't mean that we should stop all of our healthy habits that we have developed or all the healthy lifestyle choices that we have, let's say, taken or made. And as we approach the end of Ramadan, we have to bear in mind that we still need to be charitable as we are. We don't need to become less charitable as Ramadan ends. And we don't need to care less about those who need or our neighbors who are in need as well. We still need to keep on going with the same pace of kindness, of charity, and of course of empathy, inclusiveness, and acceptance, as we have had in previous episodes. Now, we are approaching the end of the episode as well. And as for my last words, I would like to wish all of our viewers at home a happy Eid, Jejintan P.R.O.U.D, Eid Mubarak. We've been proud. Thank you.